In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stamp Floor in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Floor, and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single floor texture stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated floor textures. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the floor stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the floor stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the floor texture later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Floor brush is designed to stamp floor textures as you paint instead of creating each detail manually. It's a good choice when you're painting rooms, surfaces, environments, or adding texture details to floors in your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Floor brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.